Okay, so we are greeted with this desktop, which tallies with the website. The only difference here is that we see the font is all very big. So what to do with that? Okay, so we saw the desktop, then okay, so one thing that we have to do, because the font is so big, is we have to change the file. So let's do that. So what you need to do is the problem is in one of the resolution file. So you open the terminal, then we will go to xdpy info grep for dots. So you see here the dots is a very big number. So what we need to change is a file usr share light em light em.conf.d/50-x server -command.conf. So in this file, we will sudo ei, and then we will change the last line to include -dpi96. Save and close the file, and then we would restart the board. Okay, so the board is rebooted. Then we have successfully changed the DPI, so the font size is more reasonable now.